Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today we're diving into the luxurious world of motorhomes with the 2025 Prevost Liberty H3, an absolute masterpiece of design, performance, and comfort on wheels. From the outside, the Liberty H3 commands attention with its sleek aerodynamic lines, high-gloss paint finish, and modern LED lighting. It's built on the iconic Prevost H3 45 platform, known for its height, smooth ride, and exceptional structural integrity. The panoramic windshield gives the driver an expansive view of the road, while the side windows blend seamlessly into the overall design. Under the hood, the 2025 Liberty H3 is powered by a Volvo D13 engine paired with a smooth-shifting Allison transmission. This setup delivers 500 horsepower and over 1,850 lb-ft of torque, ensuring effortless highway cruising even when fully loaded. And thanks to Prevost's advanced suspension system, every mile feels like a glide over clouds. Step inside, and you're transported into a 5-star suite on wheels. The interior is a blend of elegance and innovation. Custom cabinetry, premium Italian leather seating, and high-end appliances come standard. The floor plan is fully customizable, but common features include a spacious salon with theater seating, a gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, and a full-size residential refrigerator. The Liberty H3 doesn't just stop at beauty, it's packed with tech too. Smart home integration allows you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment from your phone or tablet. Massive lithium-ion battery banks and solar panels support the onboard systems, making off-grid luxury travel a breeze. In the rear, the master bedroom features a king-sized bed, generous storage, and a spa-inspired bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated floors. Everything is tailored to provide maximum comfort, whether you're on a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey. The 2025 Prevost Liberty H3 is not just a motorhome. It's a statement of ultimate luxury and freedom. With a price tag, well, into the millions, it's designed for those who want the best and won't settle for less. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury reviews on wheels.